Just need to play this game a little bit better.
3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs! Destruction! Destruction! Beware! Destruction! Get those fellows popping! Destruction! Destruction!
Back.
Beware! Destruction! I will trust you! Destruction!
My security guard is low.
Destruction!
Engineer.
Destruction! Beware! Destruction!
Sorry.
Destruction!
Engineer died. Engineer's dead.
Blow up that unlocked engineer.
Beware!
Get this slow engineer on my side.
Destruction! Calling more security!
MC Isaac.
We're gonna bellow up.
The heat, boys! We'll sweat 'em!
Get his bomb bag.
MC.
Beware!
Get him up. Don't die, don't die, don't.
Beware!
You're the first.
Beware!
Watch the bomb range, watch the bomb.
Dropping MC.
Alright. Drop it outside. That's fine. Kill. Kill skull, kill skull. Alright, good. Hard swap, hard swap.
Beware!
Get off the triangle.
Just about.
Who's cleaving trap? It's fine, just keep it.
4, 3, 2.
Get down the fire elemental or the fire caller.
Just go back up, just watch the dispels and get on the foreman and the fire caller. Wait for one to respawn. It's most likely gonna be the squad.
Beware!
I'll get interrupt. Isaac, move in.
Beware!
Elementalist.
Beware!
Hub. Triangles on drop. Triangles on drop. Triangles on drop.
Drama move, drama.
3, 2.
Triangles on drop.
Beware!
Swap.
Beware!
Keep the guards a little bit, please. Once the shields.
2,
Squares back up.
1.
Beware.
Just go in range.
Beware.
Looks like it, yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Swap.
Beware.
Swap.
Get off the triangle, please.
Highly move.
Beware.
Help me on
Somebody
security
drop
guards.
it, triangle.
Okay, kill
Spread out
triangle.
on this side.
I think it's far. Somebody dropped it. Mine's on C.
Drop triangle.
Okay, it's back.
Yeah, it's moved.
Kill triangle. And
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
focus. No more death still. Okay, one interrupt on square. Isaac should be.
Got
Yeah,
it.
I'm standing here.
Get square. Big cleave. This one cleave down with 5 colors. Get square down with 5 colors. Swap in 2, 1, go. Element. Big damage. Big.
Five,
No deaths. Come on.
3, 2,
Security guards, come on. Five colors
He's
as
right
well.
here.
Triangle's in place. Triangle is dying. In 3, 2, 1. Hard swap. Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Squares in place. Bifter.
Do you need another intro?
Square. One more interrupt on square.
3,
Not too much, just one more.
1.
Alright, kill square. And big cleaves, big cleave. Swap, big cleave. Here, Eiley. Shouldn't die to slack bomb, please. Heal up.
5,
Help me on.
4, 3, 2,
Ambrose, pick up. Boss, finish up the 5 callers and the security guards, let's go. Heal up, pot!
Stay out. Draining lemon.
Yeah, I got no one.
Come on,
5, 4,
finish up.
3, 2, 1.
We're gonna move a little bit, let's move. Finish up the edge so I can top
Mercy Vamp.
taunt. Watch tanks.
Lemon show, you guys gotta fix it, by the way.
Yeah, I'm out.
Mine's down here. Can we get an amp?
Mine's
Watch
down.
Ambrose.
Healing.
Move.
Melt.
Move. Big move. Keep moving. Keep moving and stop. Watch tanks.
Barrett.
Guys, I think I'm splashing on you.
Move.
After DC.
And move! Taunting. I have shoe all up. Staying here for 2 seconds.
Last thing.
Go. Move it. Keep burning
Any
the
more
boss.
cooldown?
Burn the boss.
I'm
We have
stuck.
nothing left. Throw a bomb on tanks.
PP or jump fix it.
Keep hitting the tanks.
Try also watch.
Keep hitting tanks. Keep hitting. Keep burning.
Minty sec, please. Sec down.
We got res, can we get down?
Res anyone. Come on, burn, move, motherfuckers! Move the boss!
Yes!
Fuck you!
Fuck you,
Retarded
bastard!
boss. Fucking retarded boss.
Blast furnace? More like blast furnace.
Shut the fuck up, Kenny.
Boo!
Still Athix Thunder.
To my furnace! Where am I going?
I was just gonna say, it looks like we really blasted